Parti.
Have a look at these trees. It's now winter. We are in autumn. It has lost its leaves. But you can see how beautiful are the trees. They are so beautiful. They are as beautiful as human. All these trees, as you can see, they have their function different. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how straight it is. And during winter now, when winter is over, during autumn, the leaves will start coming out. Look at how beautiful the place is. I do talk to trees. I am a true environmentalist. Please plant trees at your home. Love trees. Trees will love you too. Trees protect you. Trees create peace in you. When you are angry, when you come to a place like this, you will be free. So it's good also to have a free place in your home. When you have the trees, flowers, anything green is good, and respect the animals as well. Respect the animals. Thank you very much. We still go on. Ecco perché ho detto che è molto difficile. Hey, che bello! I love this place. Look at how beautiful it is. People, look at all this side. People all around visiting the place. The hills here, the water is coming out of here. Look at how beautiful it is. I love here. I'm in love to do some dancing, do some dancing, do some dancing. Andiamo a vedere la grotta della Madonna. We are going out of the flour mill. Hanno fatto del lavoro qui, Questo per evitare che si scivola giù.
Spero che venga giù le frane. Che...
Sai che è scritto
Era qui che siamo partito? Sì.
No. Qui si torna su.
Su dove adesso?
Bello verde.
C'è un altro posto lì?
No, ferma così. Oh. Tutto verde.
C'è un altro posto su?
Girati. Fai vedere. Oh.
Arrivare lì, così.
Vai avanti.
Guarda, fai venire da su, dove c'è l'apertura. Ora sta facendo un video?
Sì.
Oh, hello. Beautiful, just look at. What a beautiful place. Grotta di Calerion, Calerion Cave. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. Look at here, look at
Ferma, qui una bella, fermati.
Here are natural water right away from the cave. All these waters are from the cave, running down. Go up here. These are all from the cave over there. Up there. A little bit here. Okay. It's spring from the cave. Okay. Adesso si può fermare e staccare fuori.
Ok. Ah,
Aspetta, io provo un po' di...
no, basta lì.
Ok. Sta noi qua.
Vieni.